Hello friends! So, you might have noticed that I have a slight obsession with statement earrings. I make a lot of them on my website and I buy a lot of them from small businesses. I love them so much. It's one of the many things that I like to collect. As you can see, I like to collect silk scarves, purses, stuffed animals, Hello Kitty things, Sanrio stuff. And this obsession with collecting things is very new in my life because I am at a point where I just do not care, and if I like it, I'm gonna buy it. I don't care if I don't have room for it. I don't care if it doesn't match my room aesthetics. Do I have a room aesthetic? Not really. It's basically just stuff that I like. So today I wanted to do some crafts with pipe cleaners because I have all these pipe cleaners, and I thought, well, why not make them into earrings? Because you can turn anything into earrings with the right amount of willpower. Thoroughly proven that the older that I get, the further back in age that I regress. Truly, that is the problem with having adult money and no one to tell you that you can't buy new things. Like, look at this guy I just got the other day. I named him Chipwich. Why is he built like this? Why is he built like that? I love him so much and he brings me so much joy, and I don't care. He brings me joy. There's no one to tell me that I can't buy a Hello Kitty gumball machine. Like, I think we can make something so cute with these pipe cleaners. Like, they're kind of fuzzy and they're a bunch of different colors, and I feel like they could fit a lot of different aesthetics, like hobiecore, kidcore, maybe decor, or Y2K. If you guys aren't familiar with the styles that I mentioned, definitely go look them up. But basically, it is just super happy, fun, colorful, 100% saturation style that's very reminiscent of like my 90s childhood. I love it. It's so cute and happy and fun, and I think we could make something really nice here. Well, this is my workstation. I'm not actually gonna clean it. I'm just gonna push it off until you can't see it anymore. Okay, so for the fluffy hoops, just get a pair of hoops, whatever size you like. Bigger the hoop, bigger the hoe? No, bigger the hoop. I also found these really cool, cute buttons. These are all buttons that I got in a pack. So they're sparkly hearts and butterflies. Really, the only thing we have to worry about when working with these is making sure that the pokey part is hidden. The tighter you wrap it, the fluffier that it's going to be. And keep it far away from your face because I have a fear that it's gonna poke me in the eye. Once you get to a certain point, you're gonna take one of your beads and thread it through the pipe cleaner. Put it through, wrap it around, and then I would suggest going around the bead because it's kind of loose if you don't do that. We don't want it to be loose. So if you wrap it around it, it kind of stays where you want it to be. Whoa! That's scary. So cute! Look at it. Oh my god, it's so shiny and sparkly. One thing you do have to remember when you make these is be mindful of which ear it goes on, because remember, if it comes in here, this is going to be for this side. The next one that you're going to make, you want to make sure the beads are showing outward. Yes! Oh my god, they're so cute!
Okay, for alternating colors, just put a little bit of each so that you can adjust how much you want so that it's even. And look at it! Oh, it's even. It looks so cute. And then we're just going to add a bead like before.
So, I don't know if it's because I dyed my hair red and have developed a new personality because of it, but I love all things like strawberries and cherries and like little ladybugs. I'm obsessed with them. And I will continue to be obsessed with them until I pick a new personality to adopt. So, I'm just gonna start by making a spiral. Once we get the right shape, the right size, I'm just gonna go around, get another one, and wrap it around, and around, and around. And then I'm gonna hide the ends inside. And then just kind of squish it, feel where the pokey parts are. And use the pliers to press down on them. Don't use your fingers, because I don't want you to get poked. I'm gonna take the green and just stab it. Just Stab it through. Meatball on a stick. 1 point. Make a little leaf. Be bigger. Squint your eyes when you're working with these so you don't get poked. Wrap it around. Just like that. Make another leaf. So it is spooky season, aka September, and I've been watching a lot of scary movies. And if I'm not watching scary movies, I'm watching like internet series about ARGs or listening to creepypastas and just scaring myself. And that's probably the reason why I've developed this theory about the person being kidnapped next door.
So fish hooks or a tiny hoop would look really cute to make these into earrings, just like that.
Okay, next let's make some daisy earrings.
Okay, honestly, please excuse the state of my nails here. I don't really care to do them right now, but anyways, we're gonna make a couple loops, however big I want the daisy to be. I want to do like a tinier daisy this time, and then we're gonna overlap them and tie them together, just kind of like twist to secure, and then press all the pokey parts down as always. And then we're gonna make a little spiral on top, and honestly, just secure it however you see fit. Like put it behind, twist it around. It's just kind of however it works. There's not really a rhyme or reason to it. And then I'm going to add a little hoop onto it.
I think frogs are so ugly and so cute at the same time, which is something that I personally really relate to. This frog lives rent-free in my head 24/7, 7 days a week, 365 days out of the year. Look at his face. Look at its stupid face. I love how when I say that it only focuses on my face. So I'm going to start by making a spiral. Speaking of spirals, have you guys read Uzumaki by Junji Ito? It's my absolute favorite book. A little disc the size of a wafer. I'm not sure if frogs actually have 3 toes in real life, but our frog's gonna have 3 toes. Then I'm gonna twist it and attach by stabbing through. So for this one, you're gonna have to pick which side is gonna be the front, and then you can just put all the ugly stuff in the back. Just shove all the ugly stuff in the back. Kind of like this closet that I have here. All the things that I don't want to look at right now, I just shove it in there. You don't want to know what's in that closet.
So now you have the choice, Grumpy Frog or Happy Frog. I'm going to choose Grumpy Frog. So then I'm going to make his tongue as well. It's just a Y shape. And then twist. And make sure you leave enough room on that tongue part because we're going to do something with it later.
Then I'm going to stab him with his own tongue. That is a great phrase to use. If somebody comes up to you and they says something that you don't like, say, I'm going to stab you with your own tongue. I'm going to wrap the black around the pink so that it is more sturdy. Snip snop. That's his mouth. Next we're going to do the eyeballs. The eyeballs, we are going to start with a spiral once again. I want to give him like he be looking, like he's seen some things, you know what I mean? Then we're going to stab him with his own eyeball, right? Stab him with his tongue, stab him with his eyeball now. We're going to pull through, and then we're going to come up from the back, up, and then make the other eyeball. See? Then we're going to fold it over and push it back in. This is what it looks like in the back. I'm gonna push it through the other eye and repeat. Okay, look, I added one of the bug charms to his tongue. I just stuck it through one of the prongs. Oh, look at he eats. He's eating good. Oh my god.
Okay, so the jump rings are going through his eyeball, and now I have assembled my Froggy quartet. They'll be playing shows Mondays through Fridays. DM me for details. Quick reminder to elevate your legs if you're sitting on the floor for too long. I don't have any chairs. Anyways, the vert. Yum. these with a fairy wing backpack. Am I going to a festival? No, I'm going to the post office. Bold of me to show my side profile like that. Oh, here it is again. Hey. So as you can see, I'm very pleased with myself that I made these, and I just cannot wait for someone at Joann's to compliment me, because we do it for who? The girls and the gays, that's it. Yes, that's right. Alright guys, well that's been my pipe cleaner earring tutorials. If you guys have any other suggestions of things that I could make, let me know. And if you make some for yourself, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creations. For the love of God, somebody please make some matching froggy earrings with me. Okay, let's be friends and wear frog earrings together. Please? Please? Alright, well I'll see you guys next week. Bye!